Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is a little fun video. You might not ever use this, but it would help you think about using letters of the alphabet or text as shapes. Here's a comma. I'm going to left click, right click. I made that with this. Now on this, on the middle one, I rounded off the corners. But we're going to take this shape. Let's go ahead and convert it to a curve. I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate, and then I'm going to move the rotation to that center. I'm going to rotate it 270 degrees. I'm going to now take it and Control D and then flip it. And then I'm going to mirror it the other way. I'm going to grab that corner and have it go right snap to that node. Now I'm going to take the virtual segment delete key and delete that. Now I've still got separate points, so I'm going to use the Smart Fill tool to fill it in. Left click, right click, Control D, make the rotations in the center already, and we're going to rotate it 45 degrees. Take your weld tool, and you've got that shape right there. Now, you're probably never going to make that shape, but there's a lot of text and a lot of fonts that you could use for shapes and make different stuff. And then just for this one, I just took the envelope tool and I grabbed that corner and brought it to that point. I grabbed that corner and brought it to that point. Just playing. That's how you can learn stuff, and I've learned stuff. And it looks a lot better with rounded corners. But it gives you a neat effect. I mean, there's a lot of letters of the alphabet and a lot of symbols in text that you can use for shapes. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you.